guys, it's your girl Star and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple little keto snacks that's easy, that's painless, and is quite delicious.
Nobody's perfect, nobody's perfect, but you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect, nobody's perfect, but you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect, nobody's perfect, but you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect, nobody's perfect, but you're perfect for me. You're perfect for me.
Rolling, we riding. He like to go inside it. I love to go on that. We rock the boat, poseidon. I love to call your name. Baby, I love to call your name. Hey, but you're perfect for me. Rolling, we riding. He like to go inside it. I love to go on that. We rock the boat, poseidon. I love to call your name. Baby, I love to call your name.
Nobody's perfect, nobody's perfect, but you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect, nobody's perfect, but you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect, nobody's perfect, but you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect, nobody's perfect, but you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect, nobody's perfect, but you're perfect for me. Nobody's perfect, nobody's perfect, but you're perfect for me.
Rolling, we riding. He like to go inside it. I love to go.
Today with Keto Eats, we are making some keto cookies. I'm going to be using this Swerve, and I just got this in, so I just couldn't wait. I'm going to be making some cookies with this spread right here. Is the chocolate banana flavored peanut butter, and I also had got the pecan pie almond butter, and I also had got the blueberry cinnamon bun flavored. You guys, you can literally eat this out the jar. It's absolutely no sugar in there, but it tastes amazing. No sugar and 4 net carbs per serving. Just trying to make sure it's like focus. So you guys going to watch me. Of course, if you're on keto, you already know about lilies. Like, it's self-explanatory. Yes, they're expensive as shit, but they're good for you. And again, no sugar added. So let's get started. All right, you guys. So I'm currently in my gym wear. I just came from working out and stuff, but this just came in, so I couldn't wait to record this for you guys. So I'm going to use the chocolate banana spread. Got my bowl, my spoon. I'm just going to make a small batch. I don't want to make too much because I don't want to be hooked. You feel me? Okay, so just going to. you can find this bacon wrapped stuffed jalapeno peppers at Walmart, you guys. It wasn't pricey at all, probably like around $4.99. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time.